how to show or hide speed dial on your Opera ZX browser. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can hide or show the speed dial in your Opera ZX browser. First, you need to go to settings, which you can find on the left side. Then go to browser and stay on the start page section. Here you will find this hide speed dial option. If you activate this, the speed dial will disappear. If you deactivate it, the speed dial will reappear. Additionally, you can choose to hide or show the speed dial button on the side, and if you activate the hide speed dial button, it will disappear, as you can see here. And if you deactivate it, it will reappear, and you can add your new addresses to your speed dial by clicking the plus button. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and show or hide the speed dial on your Opera ZX browser. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.